Hey everybody, so just wanted to let you know I ended up going to the hair cuttery and getting about an inch cut off of my hair all the way around. When I came home, I did also do a little extra trim in the front of my hair, which might not be noticeable right now, but when it's curly you will see it. Anyway, today I'm going to try another treatment mask on my hair. This one was at the suggestion of my sister, and this is actually hers. I'm just borrowing it. This is Pattern Beauty's treatment mask, and it says, let me just read to you what it actually says it does. It says, historic curl traditions come to new life with our rice water infused treatment mask. Luxurious in feel and powerful in performance, this mask delivers curl elongation and definition to your coils. Formulated with softening and strengthening ingredients such as rice water ferment and moringa seed extract in a nod to ancestral at-home remedies, your hair will be left hydrated, silky, and pampered, keeping your texture juicy and graceful. Okay, that sounds pretty good. Now, as far as the suggested use, it says apply on wet, detangled hair or after cleansing, depending on preference. Okay, whatever. Let sit on the hair 5 to 10 minutes. After rinsing out, deep condition with, After rinsing out, deep condition with pattern heavy or intense conditioner to replenish even more moisture back into the hair to fully enliven your curls. Okay, see, I hate when products do this when you have to follow up with another product, but because it does say it leaves the hair hydrated, silky, and pampered, then I'm gonna hope this alone works on my hair. And then it says, pro tip, after applying the mask, cover your hair with a shower cap and warm towel for heat assisted product penetration. Okay, I'm not gonna be putting a warm towel on. I think the shower cap alone will work. So my hair is freshly washed. I use the Olaplex No. 4 Bond Maintenance Clarifying Shampoo. I use this because I had been using kind of heavy creams this week on my hair, so I wanted to make sure I stripped everything out of it. This really cleans the hair, and believe it or not, I know my hair looks really dry now. It does leave it feeling nice and soft, but I definitely would not suggest this for everyday use. And a tiny bit goes a long way. I have wasted so much of this. You only need like a little drop, like a pea size, to get a full lather to your hair. I have squeezed out like a quarter size, maybe even more, and have had suds like this far out on my head, but I will not make that mistake going forward. So I'm going to go ahead now and just put this in. It is a really jelly-like texture. You can barely see it, and it's super soft. It kind of feels like honey, honestly. I have distributed the conditioner all throughout my hair. I actually used a little comb so that I can really work it through each strand. What I'm going to do now is put the shower cap on, and then I will be back in 10 minutes. Okie dokie, I'll see you guys in a few. 10 minutes have passed, and I've just taken off the shower cap, and strangely enough, when my hair fell down and touched my shoulders, it feels kind of cold, whereas normally it does feel warm after having sat on my head for, a while. But anyway, I'm gonna rinse it and we'll see what it looks like. Okie dokie, so let me just squeeze off some of the water. And let's see what it looks like. It looks dry. Let's see what the brushability, okay. It looks super dry, but I'm able to comb through it pretty easily. Although it is easy to comb out, and I will give it plus for that, it does not feel that moisturized. I have a sneaking suspicion I'm not gonna get the same kind of curl that I got with the TGIN with no product. Put some extra water in. I will probably be back in a couple of hours. This side is starting to look a little frizzy to me, like it won't even hold any shape. But anyway, I will be back and we will look at it together. My hair is about 90 to 95% dry. I just feel a little bit of dampness. So, okay, maybe 97% dry. And as you can see, I do not have the definition of my spirals like I did when I used the TGIN. And there is definitely a lot more frizz to my hair. I don't think it looks terrible, but I would not want to wear my hair like this out and about in public. So what I'm going to do is spray it down with this Frizz Ease Daily Nourishment Leave-In Conditioner. What I like about this is it's kind of similar to that product by Wow that I tried a couple of years ago, where it was very fluid-like, and I was like, there's no way something this lightweight can give my coils definition and spring and bounce, and it did. But Wow is kind of an expensive product, and I was like, I need something that is just as lightweight, and I decided to give this a try. This is my second bottle to it because it has argan, coconut, and moringa oils. Okay, so I'm not going to soak my hair down with this product. I'm just going to give it enough dampness throughout. I'm going to get the ends because you guys know the ends are my trouble areas. And up here where my grays definitely lose definition. Let me just feel this and see if it's enough. I probably need a little more on the ends here. You know what I haven't used in a really long time, and this is like practically full. I bought this a couple of months ago. This is the Dove Curls Defining Mousse. I like mousse on my hair. It tends to make my hair more shiny than when I use like those puddings and cream products. For some reason, they really dull my hair out. Mousses, I feel like, promote shine a lot more than any of those other products. However, mousse can also be drying, or at least that's what a lot of people say. I think there may be alcohol in mousse. But as far as the curl that I get, I do find that mousse is far superior to any of the other products that I have used. I get good curls with all of them, but the best curls with mousse. Just gonna use like a little puff like that for the front, both sides. So I ended up having to put a lot more water into my hair to disperse the mousse throughout, and already you can see I'm getting my nice curls here. So this is going to take a little while to dry because it has product in it, but I will definitely come back on here so that you guys can see how my hair looks with the leave-in conditioner and the mousse. It's several hours later, my hair is completely dry, but I just want you guys to see the nice curls that I got using the mousse and the leave-in conditioning spray. When I use a lighter weight styling product, I do tend to have a more full looking head of hair, and also it has nice movement. I do still like the heavier curling creams because they give me that much needed moisture, and when it is humid, I don't get the same level of frizz. However, it does tend to weigh the hair down. But I do like to switch in between my styling products. Now back to the pattern treatment mask. Definitely it was not enough moisture for my hair alone, but as their instructions stated, if you need more hydration, you're supposed to follow up with their intense hydrating conditioner. As of now, I think I'm gonna stick with my TGIN Honey Miracle Mask until I'm done with it, and then maybe I'll try something new. But anyway, let me just show you one last time the curls that I got using the mousse. As you can see, a lot more refined than my hair was before with nothing in it. So anyway, thank you so much for watching, you guys. I will see you next time. Bye-bye.